everybody, today we're going to be making these wooden bird doorstops as part of the Skills Canada Alberta Try and Trade Takeout programme. These represent the carpentry trade and can be used as doorstops or decorative pieces. So, before we start, we need to make sure we have all personal protective equipment on. That includes gloves, glasses, and if you're unable to social distance, please ensure you're wearing a mask. Let's get started. So step one is to trace around the template. In your package, you may receive a rectangular piece or a triangular piece. To start, we need to make sure the bird is flush with the bottom of the piece of wood, and then using the pencil, trace around. And also ensuring we trace around the eye hole. So the next step is to drill the eye hole into the bird. So we want to ensure that the template and our bottom piece of wood are secure to a surface, making sure that where we're going to be drilling the hole is off the table or the work block to ensure it's not going into it. So we can do this using clamps. Our next step is to line our spade bit up with the centre of the eye hole. Then we will hold the drill in one hand with finger on the trigger, the other hand on top, and making sure the drill is in forward mode. Then we'll pull the trigger. Once we've drilled our eye hole into the bird, we're going to take it over to the scroll saw and cut out our template using the scroll saw and the scroll saw blade. Now to do this, we want to ensure we keep all our fingers away from this silver hoop here and have the vacuum pointing directly onto the blade. Next, we're not going to force the piece of wood in, but slowly press into the blade, moving the piece of wood around, letting the blade do the work. Once we've cut our bird out on the scroll saw, we're going to take our block sander to sand the edges and the top and the front nice and smooth. Once you've finished sanding, you can then decorate the bird however you like this cool one here, which we did using stencils and paint pens.